welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. So you guys have already guessed the title, no, not the title, the video by the title. So it is going to be a makeup kit for beginners under 1500. Though I tried कि 1500 के अंदर ही हो, लेकिन टोटल बिल हो रहा था समथिंग अबाउट 1528 रुपीज़. सो 28 रुपीज़ इतना तो चलता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. This is the makeup look that I have created using only these products. Though I am also a beginner, but if you like it, then please watch this video till the end. So first item that I got, and by the way, all the items from, mostly all the items are from purple.com and some are from Amazon and Nike. Let's start with the first item from this kit, which is primer. And for the primer I have this Bae Blurin Primer. I got this for 133. So yeah, this is for 133, and currently the price on the purple.com is 156. So the next is foundation, and of course foundation में Maybelline के अलावा कोई चॉइस है ही नहीं. So I got this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 220 natural beige. See, natural beige. I got this for 239, and currently पर्पल पे अभी इसकी प्राइस है 269. So you can check it out. आप सेल में ही लो, so you will save more money. Yeah. So moving on to the next product, which is concealer. Yeah, this is again from Bae. It is their Bae HD Spotless liquid concealer. Yeah, and I'm in the shade 2 Milk Chocolate Pretzel. This is the packaging, and this is the bottle. They have their expiry date and all written over here. Yeah, this is the stick. It is slightly bendable and flexible. I like it very much, if you can see. Moving on to the next product, which is contour. और contour के लिए again I bought this from Bae. Actually Bae के products affordable भी होते हैं और उनकी quality भी अच्छी होती है. So I got this contour shade, and best thing is it is in the cream form, not in powder form. So you can see it is in the cream form, stick form. इसकी ओरिजिनल प्राइस है 190, and I got this for 133. Again very affordable. Now for the compact, I have this Maybelline Fit Me compact. It is Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte+Poreless powder. So I'm in the shade again 220 natural beige, and I got this for 180, and also purple की अभी प्राइस भी 180 ही है. So you can check it out. This is the they have given a mirror here, and this is sponge. This is the packaging. This is the sheet, and it looks like this. And for the eyeshadow palette, I have this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. It has 9 colors in it. I will show you. It has 9 colors in it. Yeah, this is looks. Actually, it reminds me the Huda Beauty packaging. They kind of copied it, but it is much more cheaper than Huda Beauty one. I got this for 218 rupees, and purple पे भी अभी price 218 ही है. So yeah, definitely you have to build the color for that rich texture, rich pigment. But I will say कि at this price point, it is definitely worth it. For the Kajal, I have this Blue Heaven Soft Kajal eyeliner in the shade green. This is the packaging, and it looks like this. It is its price is 125, and also I got this for 125 rupees. Again, I have bought this mascara from Blue Heaven. It is their Blue Heaven Lash Twist Curling Mascara with a twisted wand, if you guys can see. And it is also bendable also. Price of this mascara is 125 rupees, and I got this for just 75. So for the blush, एक्चुअली मुझे ब्लश अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में नहीं मिल रहा था. आई मीन था, ब्लू हेवन का था, लेकिन उसमें शिमर थी, सो आई डोंट लाइक द टेक्सचर. आई वांटेड मैट, सो आई जस्ट did one hack. I bought this 18 lipstick which is in pink shade. This is the pink shade, and the name is Pink Kiss P21, and I use this as a blush, and it is only priced, it is placed at 75 rupees. So I got this as my blush for 75 rupees only. So for the highlighter, I have this highlighter from Stay Quirky. It is their I Like It Hot and Shiny Illuminator, and its shade number is 2, Make Me Hotter. So let's see the packaging. Yeah, this is the packaging. It is kind of pen like, and I got this for 138, although it is originally priced at 275. Moving on to the last item, last but not the least, lipstick. Again, this is from 18. It is their Color Pops matte, and this one I got in the shade nude. I hope you guys can see. This is their nude shade, and the name is Nude Fix. Number is N51. So yeah, it is also placed at 75 rupees. On this note, we have come to an end to the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up, and please like, share and subscribe. Bye.